Hello, my dear social media managers, and welcome back to another video where we delve into the digital sphere and explore the endless possibilities it brings. I'm your host, and today we're going to talk about a topic that's critical for anyone with an online presence: social media strategies. Before we dive in, let's get one thing clear. Whether you're a small business owner, a multinational corporation, or a content creator like me, we're all playing in the same field here. And that field is the vast, always evolving world of social media. Everyone's an influencer and everyone's a competitor. This might seem daunting, but it's also an incredible opportunity to connect, engage, and grow. Social media has the power to amplify the reach and influence of individuals beyond traditional boundaries, and this capability is not exclusive to celebrities in music or sports. Every single person has the potential to become an influencer within their own circles, be they employees, customers, or just casual social media users. This influence, when harnessed effectively, can significantly boost a brand's visibility and reach. Consider the travel industry as an example. Searching YouTube for best places to vacation does not lead to promotional videos by major hotels or travel agencies. Instead, it surfaces content created by individuals sharing their personal experiences. These creators, often hired by brands, sell a dream and escape from reality to their audiences. The effectiveness of this strategy is proven by the millions of views these videos garner. This principle can be extended to any business. For instance, having an employee or customer share their experiences with a product or service can be a powerful marketing tool because it is relatable. We are in an era where anyone can influence others' purchase decisions. Brands are no longer limited to billion-dollar corporations. Everyone has the potential to be a brand. Many companies have found success in this domain, with a significant number of consumers making purchases through social media channels. However, while social media provides a competitive advantage to brands willing to invest time, money, and effort, it's critical to remember that social media is a tool and not the strategy itself. Navigating the social media landscape can be challenging, and it is not uncommon for marketers to struggle with these challenges. It's important to consider that social networks operate on a business model where consumers transact on rented land. Just as in a casino, the house always has the upper hand. Yet understanding the rules and playing the game effectively can still lead to victories. Building a personal brand can be a valuable asset, leading to recognition, connections, and opportunities. It took me a couple of years in the early 2000s to realize this, but the benefits have been significant. If you're using social media in your business, congratulations, but I urge you to carefully consider how you're using it. Growing businesses in this era of social media, digital advertising, and influencer marketing is not a linear process. It requires an understanding of where your customers consume information and the ability to engage them there. Speak to your audience as their friends do. Chances are their Facebook feed isn't selling them something with a cliche sales pitch. Authenticity and relatability are key in the world of social media marketing. A successful social media strategy is, first and foremost, a smart one that's specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Set your goals with these principles in mind, and you're off to a solid start. Whether you're looking to grow your followers, boost engagement, or drive traffic to your website, make sure your goals are concrete, realistic, and align with your broader objectives. Next, we need to talk about your audience. Who are they? What do they like? When are they online? Getting to know your audience is vital. It's not about having millions of followers, it's about having the right followers. It's about the people who engage with your content, who care about what you have to say, and who eventually might turn into paying customers or loyal fans. Now, onto content creation. A critical part of a successful social media strategy is fresh, engaging content. Talks in particular can be a great way to keep your audience hooked, but don't limit yourself. Downloadable content like ebooks, checklists, instructional videos, and infographics are also fantastic ways to keep your followers coming back for more. Remember, if your content is valuable, others will share it, extending your reach organically. Another crucial aspect is choosing the right platforms. Not all social media platforms will be relevant for your audience. If you're targeting business professionals, for instance, LinkedIn and Twitter may be more beneficial than TikTok or Snapchat. Concentrate your efforts where they'll have the greatest impact and build meaningful relationships with your followers there. Another crucial aspect is choosing the right platforms. Each social media channel has a unique audience and uses different kinds of content. The right choice of platform largely depends on where your target audience spends most of their time online. If you're feeling overwhelmed about managing your business's social media presence across multiple platforms, I have some great news for you. I'd like to introduce you to a platform that can make your social media management much more efficient and effective, Like It Social. Like It Social is a comprehensive tool designed to optimize business interactions on social media. It's built to make your brand interactions fun and engaging. Like It Social provides a streamlined approach to social media management, allowing you to easily manage and monitor multiple social media accounts from one place. Their platform also offers role-based access for your team, ensuring that everyone has the appropriate level of access based on their responsibilities. Plus, you'll get tailored recommendations to improve your social media performance, early access to their latest features, and priority support for any issues you may face. I encourage all of you to join Like It Social. It's a game changer for businesses looking to enhance their social media strategies and improve their online interactions with customers. Check them out and see how they can transform your business's social media presence. Now let's get this back. You have SMART goals, you know your audience, you're creating fresh, engaging content, and you're focusing on the right platforms. What's next? This is where it gets personal, literally. It's about making people, not your logo, the face of your brand. This is the power of personal branding, and it's a game changer. Here's a little story to illustrate this. Back in 2020, I was laid off due to the coronavirus crisis, but social media became a catalyst for me, helping me rebuild my career and establish invaluable connections. With no formal education in the field, I managed to create a following and even founded my first business at the age of 25. How? By realizing that if enough people know you exist, a few of those connections will eventually convert into paying customers. I built up a marketing brand, and companies started to pay me to share my knowledge about social media marketing, but it doesn't stop there. The personal brand I groomed over a decade helped me become a best-selling author in under 24 hours. When the pandemic hit in 2020, I used my social media connections and personal brand to pivot into e-commerce, launching a new venture smoothly. What does this tell us? Social media isn't just about selling a product or a service, it's about selling a personality, an experience, a connection. It's about making a human connection with your audience. People connect with people, not logos. In the future, I predict that successful brands will need to personify themselves, offering a relatable human face to their audience. This will allow them to compete effectively in the digital space and stay relevant in the age of AI. Brands need to step out from behind the digital curtain and show their true human face. But remember, while it's important to make your brand personal, it's equally important to remember that your brand should be a part of the movement, not the movement itself. Instead of trying to dominate the social conversation, try to be part of it. Engage with your audience, participate in discussions, and show that you're not just a brand, you're a member of the community. Finally, at the heart of all this is relationships. Like in all areas of life, relationships are key in social media. The platforms are just tools that facilitate these relationships on a broader scale. They provide us the opportunity to connect, engage, and build relationships with a global audience. And it's these relationships that ultimately drive success on social media. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you all that these are not just strategies for businesses or corporations. As a content creator, you can use these strategies to grow your personal brand and engage with your audience in a more meaningful way. We are all influencers in our own right, and we have the power to use social media to connect with others, share our stories, and make a difference.